Have you ever imagined being able to capture the intricate details of an object and turn it into a digital model? Well, now you can with the amazing 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd. In Gurgaon Sector 29, Delhi, NCR. This innovative company has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with objects by providing top-notch 3D scanning solutions. Whether you need to scan a product for prototyping, create a virtual museum exhibit, or even replicate a piece of art, Scon Design India Private Ltd. Has got you covered. With their state-of-the-art 3D scanning technology, Scon Design India Private Limited is able to capture every nook and cranny of an object with astonishing precision. From small intricate designs to large industrial components, their scanning services can handle it all. The team at Scon Design India Private Ltd. Is highly skilled and experienced in using advanced scanning techniques to ensure that the resulting digital model is accurate and true to the original object. The benefits of using 3D scanning services are endless. Not only does it allow for accurate measurements and detailed analysis, but it also opens up a world of possibilities for designers, engineers, and artists alike. Imagine being able to create a perfect replica of a rare artifact without ever touching the original. Or how about being able to incorporate real-world objects into your virtual reality experiences? With Scon Design India Private Ltd.'s 3D scanning services, these dreams can become a reality. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd. Apart from other companies is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires individualized attention. Whether you have a specific deadline or a complex object that needs scanning, their team will work closely with you to ensure that your needs are met. Contact Scon Design India Private Ltd. today and let them turn your vision into reality. Are you ready to experience the wonders of 3D scanning services in Gurgaon Sector 29, Delhi, NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Private Ltd., the leading provider of top-notch 3D scanning services in the region. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, they are revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with objects in the digital world. Scon Design India Private Ltd. Is a name synonymous with excellence and innovation. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art 3D scanning equipment to capture intricate details with unparalleled precision. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large-scale project, they have the expertise and resources to deliver exceptional results. Imagine having the power to replicate physical objects in the virtual realm. With 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd. Can transform your ideas into reality. From product design and prototyping to reverse engineering and quality inspection, their services cater to a wide range of industries and applications. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd. Apart from the competition is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a